How many times have you found yourself in a position where you don't speak your mind, or you don't assert yourself, or you don't stand up for yourself, or you don't go for the results that you really, really want in life because you're lacking self-esteem and the confidence to have the courage to take the steps that you need to take? Hi, I'm Christy Roberts, mindset and results coach and founder of Creating Change, and I'm here today to talk about self-esteem. I've got a number of tips and strategies that I can go through just to share with you, to give you ideas of how to help you move through and overcome being held back by yourself, and how to get that growth so that you can have that life that you really, really want. The first step to helping you build self-esteem, strong, healthy self-esteem, is to just be really kind to yourself and notice what you're saying to yourself. You know, when you call yourself out, you know, I'm just not good enough, or oh my God, I'm too slow, whatever it is, just notice what you're saying to yourself and put it through the lens. Would I say that to my best friend? Because if you wouldn't say it to your best friend, why are you saying it to yourself? Secondly, stop judging yourself. Like, yes, it's human nature. We're very judgmental as human beings. But the best judgment, compare yourself to yourself. Stop looking at other people. Stop wondering what everyone else is doing and comparing yourself to what you see online, because only you know what's happening within you. And so compare yourself to yourself. Are you better than yesterday? Are you better than last week? And set your goals based on you. Really, really important. Next, get moving. Get moving. So exercise, fitness, energy, move. There's so much power in movement. And when you get fitter and you start moving and you've got energy flowing through you, it really helps build self-confidence and self-esteem. So be perfectly imperfect. Like, nobody's perfect. And if you're striving for perfection, you're setting yourself up for failure. I'll say that again. If you're striving for perfection, you're setting yourself up for failure. So take imperfect action and just be perfectly flawed. Embrace your imperfections. Accept mistakes. Nobody's perfect, and use mistakes as a learning opportunity. So if you've done something and you've failed, that's okay. What did you learn from it? What wisdom can you get out of that? What won't you do next time? So use your mistakes as learning opportunities. Focus. Focus on what you can change. Focus on what you do want. Don't focus on what you don't want. Don't focus on your imperfections. Don't focus on your failures and how you're not good enough. Focus on what you can do, what you do want, what you do have already, what you can build, what you can change. Next, do what makes you happy. What makes you happy, and do more of that. Because honestly, when your cup is empty, when you're giving, you know, if you're the mother, the worker, the friend, the lover, everything else, the caretaker, when you're everything else for everybody else, our tanks get empty, right? So what do you need to fill up your cup? What makes you happy, and do more of that. It could be, you know, a bubble bath, just talking to a friend, whatever, just anything that makes you happy, and do more of that. When your cup starts filling up, it builds your confidence, it builds your self-esteem, and it gives you the energy you need to move forward. Be a good friend. So connect with people, connect with your friendships. Trust yourself to do this. Notice and celebrate even the small stuff. So there's gratitude, celebrate. If you've had a little win today, congratulate yourself, tell somebody about it, ring a friend, share. So just notice the little things and celebrate yourself for what you are doing and what you have done and how you are growing. And lastly, surround yourself with a supportive cheer squad. So surround yourself with people who support you. You don't want people who are negative. You don't want people who are running you down. You don't want people who are holding you back from achieving your goals and dreams. That's not helpful. So surround yourself with people who are helping you to grow. I trust this serves and you've gained value. Please like, please comment. I have a YouTube channel now, so please subscribe, and by all means share, share, share. So I look forward to talking to you all soon, and yeah, keep an eye out for my next video. Take care.